Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today I'm going to talk about 9 practical steps to help you prepare for a successful mediation. Mediation is a structured process where both parties agree on and hire a neutral third party. This person is also known as a mediator, and they'll assist the parties in reaching a solution. During mediation, the parties are usually kept in separate rooms with their respective attorneys if they have one, and the mediator hops between the 2 rooms to help facilitate an agreement. In divorce and family law cases, a mediator with extensive knowledge in family law is usually hired. While mediation is cheaper than litigation, it is not necessarily cheap. So on average, they usually take about 4 hours or 8 hours. 4 hours for about temporary orders, 8 hours for a decree. And each party has to pay the mediator and their respective attorneys. And usually they'll pay their attorneys by the hour. To have a successful mediation, you have to be reasonable and realistic about the outcome of your case. Here are some practical steps to help you prepare. Number 1, make a list of issues that you and your spouse have come to an agreement on. Number 2, write down how these issues have been resolved. Number 3, make a list of issues that need to be resolved. Number 4, write down your desired outcome of the issues. Number 5, write down what you think your spouse's interest will be on the issues. Number 6, write down how you think the judge will rule on the issues. Number 7, place a star next to the top 3 issues most important to you. Number 8, gather and make copies of documents supporting your case. Number 9, if children are involved, draft a proposed visitation schedule. By completing the steps above, you'll gain a better perspective of your case. Your well-thought-out approach will allow you to come up with creative compromises. Also, this will ensure that you do not leave out any important issues, since mediated settlement agreements are legally binding and enforceable. I hope you found those steps helpful and useful. In the next slide is going to be an example of an issues chart to help you prepare for mediation.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.